Hey everyone, DIY Dani here. I want to introduce you to Kennedy. She's the new community manager at Coral, and she's going to be responsible for uploading a whole bunch of new content on Coral, especially during this crazy time. We could all use it. So Kennedy, what kind of content can we be expecting on Coral moving forward?
Hi, Dani. So first, I just want to say we love all of your new videos from the Diaries of DIY Dani. And yeah, we're coming out with a lot of at-home videos. So at-home cooking, at-home DIY, at-home fitness. And this next one is right up your alley because it's a DIY video.
I love me some DIY, girl. Can we take a look?
Yes.